The best weed torches provide an efficient way to eliminate weeds without chemicals. These high-powered tools use propane to generate intense heat, killing weeds down to the root in seconds. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best weed torches you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Campfire weed torch combines efficiency, durability, and ease of use, making it an excellent tool for clearing weeds and other outdoor tasks. With its easy ignition system, you can connect a 16.4-ounce propane tank to the sturdy brass handle, open the flow valve, and ignite the torch with a simple press of the self-igniting trigger. This precise control over the flame ensures effortless weed removal while keeping safety in mind. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic foam grip handle makes extended use comfortable, while the lightweight construction allows for easy maneuverability. The torch is built from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, offering resistance to rust and corrosion for long-lasting performance. Its solid brass connector and adjustable control valve ensures a consistent, powerful flame output of 24,000 British thermal units. Safety is enhanced by the extended reach of the single-unit design, allowing users to avoid bending or crouching while keeping a safe distance from the flame. The Sevenmeet high heat output. Propane torch brings unmatched power and precision for heavy-duty outdoor tasks. Delivering up to 1.8 million BTU and reaching temperatures as high as 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, this propane torch is perfect for weed control, ice melting, and more. With its large 1.9-inch nozzle, it creates a strong and steady flame, allowing you to finish projects efficiently. The automatic ignition system ensures quick, safe starts, while the gas valve and turbocharger trigger allow you to control the flame intensity for precise heating or powerful bursts. The torch comes equipped with an 11.5-foot hose, giving you maximum reach and flexibility while working, reducing the need to constantly move the propane tank. This long hose also keeps you at a safe distance from the fuel source. Plus, the included 1-pound propane adapter, made from solid brass, easily connects small propane bottles to a 20-pound tank for convenient refueling. Ideal for both landscaping and camping, the Sevenmeet torch combines power and safety with easy portability. The Flame King YSNPQ torch is a versatile tool designed for a variety of outdoor tasks. With the ability to produce up to 24,000 BTUs, this powerful torch makes short work of burning weeds, melting ice, and lighting BBQs or charcoal fires. The high heat output ensures that tasks are completed quickly and efficiently, whether it's yard work or starting a fire for outdoor cooking. This torch features a flame control valve, allowing you to easily adjust the flame size to suit your needs. Its long 33-inch reach ensures you can keep a safe distance from the flame while working. The non-slip rubber handle offers comfort and a secure grip, even when working for extended periods. Convenience is key, and the integrated self-lighting ignition allows for fast and easy operation without the need for matches or lighters. The Flame King YSNPQ arrives fully assembled and ready to use, offering you immediate functionality right out of the box. The Elemake weed torch offers robust performance, safety, and versatility for tackling tough outdoor tasks. Built from durable, heat-resistant steel, this heavy-duty propane torch is designed to last, withstanding corrosion and leaks over time. Its 10-foot marine-grade rubber hose is flame-retardant and resistant to aging, ensuring durability and security. This torch works with standard 5 to 100-pound propane tanks, though an adapter is needed for 1-pound tanks. Safety is a priority with German-imported valve seals, a brass valve construction, and a POL safety valve, ensuring leak prevention. Each torch is rigorously tested for leaks before it reaches your hands. The automatic ignition system, powered by a battery-operated igniter, makes starting it as simple as pressing a button while producing a reliable spark. Featuring a large nozzle and a powerful turbo blast trigger, this propane torch achieves high temperatures quickly, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. Its strong flame covers a larger area, enhancing efficiency for tasks like weed removal, melting snow, or even lighting fires. The Flame King Weed Torch is more than just a weed burner. It's a versatile propane torch designed for tough tasks. Powered by a 340,000 British thermal unit heat output, this torch can handle heavy-duty projects with ease. Its long flame, reaching up to 28 inches, allows it to burn through weeds, melt snow and ice, remove paint or parking lot markings, thaw frozen pipes, and even assist in roof repairs or woodworking projects. Ergonomically designed, the easy grip handle ensures comfort and precision, minimizing the risk of slippage during prolonged use. Its safety lever valve provides additional control and protection, ensuring safe operation even in intense conditions. Equipped with a piezo igniter, the torch ignites quickly without the need for external tools, making it both practical and efficient for a wide range of uses. Whether you're clearing your garden of unwanted weeds or tackling a winter freeze, the Flame King Weed Torch is built for performance. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.